we will discuss how to play games and earn money. Have you ever imagined the splendor of profiting merely through entertainment? If not, then let's discuss how to play games and earn money in 2023. The gaming industry is pretty exciting. Whenever we hear the words playing games, we start to feel enthusiastic and have ripples of excitement. But in 2023, if you are playing games just for fun and never earn from playing games to be keyed up only, then you are unaware of something really big. That is, you can earn money from gaming. Recent years have seen the growth of new avenues for monetizing gaming. There are now far more opportunities to make money from this hobby than you might imagine. Though it's a young medium, gaming has taken the world by storm. There's something about the interactivity of games that has captured the hearts and minds of young and old alike across the globe. And now, with modern technology coupled with the internet, it's possible to earn actual real money while playing the games you love. We're talking about a significant part of technology. Companies in the PC, console, and mobile gaming worlds are using the latest tech to bring their games to the masses. Games often have low barriers to entry. This means that anyone can start playing and earning rewards, regardless of their economic status. Over 3.2 billion people worldwide are playing games, huh? Well, it makes sense because everyone loves having a good time. Ain't no better feeling than getting lost in a game reality. The gaming industry is taking off. It's becoming one of the fastest growing markets, and many people are cashing in. I'll tell you why the gaming industry is booming. Earning money in the gaming industry has become too easy these days. Who would have thought gaming would become so popular that people are streaming their videos and making money off them? It's incredible! It was valued at $173.7 billion in 2021, according to Mordor Intelligence Analysis. And analysts believe it'll reach $314.4 billion by 2027. Later on in the video, we'll talk about how the gaming industry will let you gain revenue, and what are some of the ways through which you can make a living from gaming. Now, here are some ways you can earn money by playing games. Get paid to live stream. Anyone can broadcast their games in real time for everybody to see. Aim for a broad audience, which you can monetize with adverts, or a dedicated audience to monetize with donations and subscriptions. Luckily, the barrier to entry for streaming is relatively low. All you need is a first-rate computer, a few video games viewers want to watch, a fun character, and streaming software. Make sure your internet connection bandwidth is sufficient to handle the stream, and that your laptop is sufficient for whatever games you're playing. For PC gaming, we've walked through how to get started with Streamlabs OBS, a terrific newbie option. If you're gaming on a console, you'll need a capture card, which is a further fee. Creating video game guides and tutorials. People new to particular video games often enjoy reading guides, particularly for those involving player versus player, PvP, battles. This creates a business opportunity to make money by giving out helpful tips that new gamers thirst for. You have a few options for game guides, like generating a website with written directions, uploading video tutorials to YouTube, or releasing guides as ebooks. Generally, the first two are monetized through adverts or voluntary donations, while the ebook method earns money through sales. Writing a guidebook is easy, but to make money from it, you should make one focused on popular games. Unfortunately, the more widely played a game is, the more competition you will face. Therefore, to make your guide stand out, you must devote a lot of effort and demonstrate expertise. Winning games tournaments. Contests and competitions are prevalent in multiplayer video games, such as fighting games. The more popular the game is, the bigger the rewards become. If you are good enough to be part of an esports team, you could make a decent wage from your winnings and endorsements. Most competitive players also use live streaming as their #1 source of other income. If you're looking for an in-demand PvP game with many tournaments and a lot of enthusiasm from esports entities, practice, practice, and practice some more. Reach out to other skilled gamers to get yourself noticed. It's a good idea to start with local competitions of popular titles such as Super Smash Bros. And CSGO. You will probably have a better chance, and make more money, if you pursue a career as a non-competitive streamer instead. This way, people will still enjoy watching you, even if you're not number one. Free game development software tools to make your games. Have you been thinking of a game concept for quite a while? Now, you can make that concept into reality. Nowadays, anyone can create a video game using game-making technology and some knowledge. Although it may seem simpler, even such a game as Flappy Bird requires hard work if you want it to appear and feel great. Fortunately, with the help of these complementary game development tools, the game creation process has become relatively smooth. You can make games on demand for your clients. Licensed video games are a great way of getting into the industry and making a name for yourself. And they pay you up front in a lot of cases. You can also sell game templates and other assets on digital storefronts. Become a game tester. People who get to test out video games as part of their job have a fantastic time as they get to do something they truly enjoy. You can look for these sorts of gigs and get the opportunity to try out an upcoming title before it is released. Your task will be to put the game through its paces and report on your impressions. Check the websites of your favorite game developers to see if they have a need for a remote tester. If you happen to live near a gaming company, you can visit them and inquire about the possibility of this kind of job. Video game testers, on average, make more than $60,000 a year. This is quite a large amount compared to the average salary in different industries. It may not be something you can achieve right away, but it has the potential to be a very profitable endeavor. Contact sponsors. Sponsorships for gamers come in many forms. An affiliate sponsorship is often considered the easiest form of sponsorship and is a starting point for smaller streams and esports competitors. Affiliate sponsorships often require that gamers share affiliate codes and links, URLs. To obtain sponsorships, the initial step is to be ready to impress them. Then, look for brands that you appreciate and that may be willing to back you. Think about it too. Would you or do you utilize their item? Following that, figure out who in that company you would like to take note of you. Finally, take advantage of social media to locate them or to make it simpler for them to come across you. And bear in mind that you are not hoping to market anything to them. You are trying to persuade them that you can bring value to them or their product. We have just discussed some ways you can easily earn money through gaming. Apart from these, there are several ways you can make a living by gaming. No matter your preferred gaming style, you'll have a great time because you enjoy playing. You can compete for money and rewards, or take a more laid-back route and accomplish in-game tasks for a lower income. However you go about it, you're still having a good time. The best part about earning money by gaming is that there's no need to ask for a vacation. You can work from home or while traveling, as long as you have a solid internet connection. That includes playing games while relaxing by the pool. If you want to play games all day to make money, you don't need to worry about the amount of time it takes. The more time you put in, the more money you'll make. However, you can set your schedule and take breaks in order to give your eyes a rest. You can game anytime it works for you, whether morning, noon, or night. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in our next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get regular updates.